Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you every single Hello Kitty Miniverse because I do have the complete series that I have built. I did individual videos for all these items. If you want to see those, check out my channel. But in no particular order, here is the tiered cake. I think this one was a very easy build. They gave you enough bows to go all the way around it, and it's super cute. I actually like every single item in this series. I'm not sure I have a least favorite, but I do have several of my favorites, and this is one of them. I love Sushi Love Bento Boxes, so this one was one of my favorites. Get to put the little faces on there and make the rice. And this came with a mold that we use to make all sorts of extra kitty heads in various resins and designs, so my daughter could play with those. We also have some fruit waffles. These were cute, and of course I like the plate it comes with. Hello Kitty's face on it. Everything's branded. The bottles, the fruit, any little containers all had Hello Kitty on it. This is the strawberry milk. That was a very cute one to make as well. Love the straws, how they have the bows on them. This was a very last addition to my collection. This is the cream soda. It did come with an extra pink soda, or pink ice cream rather, that you could put at the top, but I wanted to do white, so we had a little bit of breakup with the colors there, so everything wasn't completely pink. Also have the cereal. This one came in a very cute Hello Kitty bowl. However, mine was missing the spoon. It did not come with a spoon, which is fine. And all the cereal pieces are shaped like Hello Kitty's head, and they gave us raspberries to put in there as well. Another one of my favorites is the macarons. I love macarons in real life, and in the past I found these were difficult to make, but I took my time and these turned out really good. I like that there's so many details. You have her whole face and bow printed on there. I thought that was really, really cute. It wasn't just the outline of her face or her head. It had her whiskers, her bow, her eyes, her nose, all that cute stuff. Next up we have the pies. So you did get to make two different ones. One has a lattice top and one is Hello Kitty's face. And the pans it came with are also different. We have a pink one and a red one. I thought these were really cute and easy to make. Next we have the one I probably wanted the most aside from the bento box. This is the ramen, spicy ramen to be exact. It came with little pieces of carrots and peas and Hello Kitty's face. And the ramen does have, or the resin rather, has like a gold glitter mica little vibe to it. It's so cute. Absolutely love this one. Next we have boba. My only complaint about this one is I wish the boba was a different, or the liquid in here was a different color. The pieces of boba itself are shaped like Hello Kitty's head, and so is the ice, though it's really hard to see, but I imagine that's why they went with that color, so that you could kind of see it. If it was a darker color, you wouldn't be able to. Next up we have some donuts. Now the checklist only shows these three. I did get another one that looks just like this one, so I'm not sure if that was a happy mistake or not that I got 4, so leave me a comment. Let me know if you got 3 or 4 if you found this one. Very easy build, love the sprinkles and the bows, very cute. And last but not least, another really exciting one. This is the cappuccino. Used a stencil to put the design on top. Less is more. I think I put too much on this one and bumped it, so the bow didn't come out great, but the face on this one I think turned out really good. But I love the cups, again, very detailed, and the plates, look how cute those are. Overall, they did a fantastic job with this series. One of my favorites that they've done so far. If you want to see me collect more Miniverse, check out my channel, and please subscribe to my Facebook page for all things Miniverse and Miniverse news. Bye guys!